Welcome to Mid-South Flavor, I'm Jay Malone. Today we're going to be making some of my favorite green beans. First off, I want to say Merry Christmas. This week is Christmas here in the United States, so I want to wish every one of you a Merry Christmas. And just in case you're going to be making green beans this year, I recommend you give this recipe a try. First off, I have this skillet here on this new induction cooktop that I just got. It's not turned on yet, so we'll turn the heat on once we get our ingredients in. But we're starting with just a can of cut green beans. I'm going to dump the whole can in here, the liquid and all. I'm not going to strain this. If you were going to be doing more than one can, then you may want to go ahead and strain some of it. You probably don't need all of that liquid from several cans, but just one can, go ahead and leave the liquid in it. And spread it out just a little bit here. Now we're moving to this. I suggest you mix up some of this in advance. This is my steak seasoning blend that I use. I'll tell you what's in it, then I'll also leave the ingredients in the description below. This is pretty much just equal parts of smoked sea salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And then just a little bit less of Italian seasoning and also just a little bit of accent flavor enhancer. So go ahead and mix this up. This is great on steaks and also vegetables as well. Today we're going to use a heaping teaspoon of this. And we've got two more ingredients that are going to make these amazing. First off, we're going to throw in a chicken bouillon cube. Just toss it in the skillet. And for the last and maybe most important ingredient, we're adding liquid smoke. If you've never used liquid smoke, it can be a great addition to your foods, but you don't want to overdo it. So we're only going to use just about a teaspoon of this. Now that we have all the ingredients in here, we're going to turn this on medium-high heat. And yes, this will start heating up, and this induction cooktop, it has a fan in it, so that's the noise that you're hearing. I apologize if you're hearing that noise. Also, some of the neighbors' dogs are barking out here, so yeah, that's what you get when you're cooking outside. Just as this is heating up, go ahead and give it a little bit of a stir. You don't want to overdo it, but you want to make sure everything's mixed well. And I know what you're saying, green beans are green beans, but trust me, they're not. These already smell amazing, and yeah, you'll thank me later for this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to let this simmer here. It's kind of boiling, so we're going to let this go until all of the liquid has evaporated from the skillet. Once it has, then we're going to just kind of fry them up just a little bit there on the skillet. But yeah, this is pretty much it. It is super simple. It's easy to do and tastes amazing. And as the liquids start to evaporate, make sure that you go ahead and mix them around well. This is a non-stick skillet, but I really don't want anything sticking to it or overcooking at all. So yeah, make sure and go ahead and mix them up. And you'll see that most of the liquid is gone. We're just going to now get them a little bit fried up here on this hot skillet. And that's pretty much it. We're going to turn the heat off now. We're going to go ahead and plate them up into a bowl. Now all that's left is to give them a taste. These are fantastic. I love these. Yes, I love that smoky flavor to them with the smoked sea salt and also the liquid smoke. It's fantastic. Then also you get a little hint of that garlic. Yes, I absolutely love these. This is my favorite way to eat green beans. And that's it. The next time you want to try green beans, give this recipe a try. Let me know down in the comments how you fix green beans. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And remember, on the grill or in the kitchen, here in the Mid-South, we do flavor.